Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. The master plan for the restoration of the Tista region has been a topic of discussion for many years. But unfortunately, it has not been implementation. As a result, our farmers, our fishermen, and our common peoples are suffering from both floods and droughts. My friend, this time before the election schedule is declared, nearly 20 million people of the Tista region has honor if no clear step taken, they will boycott the polls. Ladies and gentlemen, the common peoples of the Tista region are not weak, they are strong, they are determined. They are determined to achieve their demand for fair distribution of water and the implementation of development project. This is not just a demand, this is our right.